Welcome to the My Channel Global Car. Your go-to spot for the latest in automotive innovation and performance. If you love cars, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63, a beast reborn. The Nissan Patrol has long held a reputation for being rugged, reliable, and luxurious. Now, with the Y63 generation arriving in 2025, it's clear that Nissan is aiming to redefine what full-size SUVs can offer, combining off-road dominance with upscale refinement. Under the hood, the Y63 ditches the old-school V8 for a more modern 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. Don't let the downsizing fool you. It delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, giving it more punch while improving fuel efficiency. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Nissan's advanced 4x4 system, this Patrol is ready for any terrain from desert dunes to city streets. The design has also received a bold new update. The front fascia is aggressive and modern, with a massive grille, sleeker LED headlights, and strong character lines across the body. It's bigger and more muscular, yet more aerodynamic than ever before. Step inside, and the luxury is unmistakable. The cabin is completely redesigned with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital driver display and optional rear seat entertainment. Whether you're in the front seat or the third row, comfort and connectivity are guaranteed. Safety hasn't been left behind either. The 2025 Patrol Y63 is packed with Nissan's ProPilot Assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it one of the